Hey Emmanuel, I hope you are having a great day. Hope you're having a good week. Um, I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know I spoke to your mom today, and we discussed opening your USA test prep assignments back up that you've already completed because I know that the grade that is showing on my end is not what your true potential. Um, so I am going to give you the opportunity to redo these assignments to pull up your grade in my class for 4th 9 weeks because I want you to have the best grade possible. Um, as you can see, I'm logged in as you on USA Test Prep. And what I want you to do is under assignments, it says view by class. I want you to change that to my name, Miss Vincent First Period. Um, and when you do that, you are going to see that it's going to pop up the 2 weeks of assignments that we've already done plus this week's assignment. And it has completely opened that back up for you. You can start over and you can improve your grade. I am going to put your highest grade that you have into the computer system or into Infinite Campus. I'm not going to um, deduct any points or anything like that. But all you have to do is click begin, and it's going to, or you can click, sorry, not necessarily begin. Let's go back to assignments. You can click here and you can see the assignments, and you can click the begin and you can complete those assignments. All of the answers are found in that video. So if there's not anything that you know, if there's something you don't know, sorry, if there's something you don't know, when I click begin, um, you can go back and you can watch this video as many times as you need to. Or if you don't want to watch the video, you can click right here where it says shows transcript. And this tells you everything that they said in the video. I just know the video is probably a little easier because you can watch it. You're not having to read. But if there's a question you don't know, make sure you go back and look at the video again or look at the reading at the bottom. Okay. If you have any questions, Emmanuel, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. Um, I won't be answering emails as quickly this weekend, like Saturday, Sunday, but definitely I'll be available tomorrow, Friday, all day, and I'll be here all next week as well. Remember, another assignment's going to open up on Monday as well. But you have until May 22nd to get these in. And when you finish them, when you complete them and you're ready for me to change your grade, remember, just make sure you shoot me an email and I will get that to you. Thank you, or I'll change your grade. Thank you. Bye.